Fresh sugarcane is harvested and transported to the factory, where its journey to become sugar begins.
The freshly harvested sugarcane is unloaded, cleaned, and prepared for the next stage of production. The sugarcane is cut into small pieces and crushed by powerful rollers to extract its fresh, natural juice.
The fresh sugarcane juice is purified to remove impurities. This creates clean juice for the next stage. This is essential for sugar production. The purified juice is gently heated to remove water, creating a thick syrup that is ready for sugar crystal formation.
Inside the vacuum pan, the thick syrup slowly transforms into sparkling sugar crystals under carefully controlled conditions.
High-speed centrifuge the pure white sugar crystals from the molasses with remarkable precision.
Every batch of sugar is carefully graded and inspected to ensure consistent size, purity, and the highest quality. The sugar crystals are carefully dried and cooled to achieve their perfect texture, purity, and quality.
Every bag is securely sealed, marked with production details, and inspected to ensure perfect quality before packaging. After careful packaging, the sugar is loaded onto delivery trucks and transported to stores across the country. Finally, the pure sugar reaches your home, adding sweetness to your tea, desserts, and everyday life.